In this video, I'm going to show you how to top up your Lebara voucher quickly and easily. Whether you want to add credit for calls, texts, or data, this guide will help you recharge in no time. First, scratch off the protective strip on your Lebara voucher to reveal the top-up code. Next, open the phone dialer on your Lebara phone. Dial *number 135 number and press the call button to check your current balance before recharging. To add credit, dial number 136 followed by the voucher code, then press the call button. For example, if your voucher code is 123456789, dial number 1361234566789 number sign and hit call. Wait for a confirmation message that your top-up was successful. You can also top up online by visiting lebara.co.uk/recharge or the website for your region. Enter your phone number and voucher code to add credit instantly. Alternatively, you can use the Lebara app to top up anytime from your smartphone. That's it. Now you know how to quickly top up your Lebara voucher and keep your account active. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy mobile recharge tutorials.